Namaskaram. My name is SSR Krishna. In this video, I am going to tell the importance of freehand drawing. See, the freehand drawing will be like this. So it is just looking like the cartoons. You can call it as cartoon also. See how simple it is to create a cartoon or a freehand drawing. Whatever the thing you are imagining in your brain, that can be drawn like this using few simple techniques and tips. See, another person you can also draw here. Somebody is speaking to him. He's saying something. He's saying something and that guy is listening. So this is actually cartoons, but in my session I am going to tell you how to make this, the perceptions and perspective views and etc. So why it is important to the children and youngsters especially? So when they are going to present their ideas in the form of a project or in the form of a seminar or in the form of a report, if they can make a drawing like this, I mean, if they can draw their ideas in the form of a diagram on the paper, if they can show, then it looks good, because the sentence is there, a proverb is there, a picture speaks 1,000 words. A picture speaks 1,000 words. And also we know pretty well that the drawing is the universal language, can be understood by anyone. So this is very important. I mean, if they cannot draw like this, I'm going to tell a few simple techniques to draw simple line diagrams and oval diagrams. They are also enough to the children to create their ideas, and they can put their ideas in the form of the diagram. So let me start this. This is just a demo session. If you are interested to continue, you can ping me. I'll give you my number also at the end of this video. Pencil, a small sketch, eraser, a pen, that's all. So these are the material we require, and the technique is called oval method. Technique is called oval method. If you can draw these kind of circles and ovals, if you can draw these kind of shapes, you can draw these kind of figures. Let me show you. For example, somebody is walking on the road, for example. So I am putting this shape as the nose, which shows the direction of the head. When we are walking, in general we bend our neck like this, and this is our body, a human body. Okay, this is one hand, this may be another hand. If you observe, I am just drawing these kind of shapes, a circle, an oval, this kind of oval. Okay, not exactly, but 90% of the shape I am drawing here. This is another oval, this is another oval. Okay, this is another. Okay, and you have to maintain 1:2 ratio. As per my experience, I am telling 1:2 ratio. If this is 1, this should be 2. Head and body ratio should be this. If this is 1, this should be 2. And let me draw another oval like this, which indicates the this is another oval, this is another oval, leg, another oval which comes from here, and it bends like this. And how simple it is to create a person who is walking on the road. So like this, if you observe, I have drawn only ovals and circles, that's it. If you can do this, if you can draw these shapes, you can do this. If you can do this, you can do this. Okay, only thing is you need to mind, you need to follow some rules and regulations, and you need some practice, that's it. Okay. And yes, yes, you can also, you can also try this. You can also try this. I suggest you just keep a pen, paper, pencil, eraser with you. You can also try this. Let me draw someone is playing with mobile. So when person is playing with mobile, he bends head like this. I'm putting the nose here because the nose direction is the direction of the head. Here also I am putting nose downwards because when we are operating the mobile, we see downwards. Okay. Okay, this is the body, and here is our hands. So in the hands we have the mobile. Let it be like this, and that hand will be like this. Okay. And he may be sitting in a chair, something like this. So don't hesitate to use the erasers. So when you don't feel that whatever you are drawing is not good, you have to erase. Most of the people are doing the mistake here. They don't use the eraser, so that they commit to mistakes. You see how simple it is to make a person who is operating the mobile phone. Okay. And let me draw someone is someone is operating computer. So this angle, in this angle I am drawing. I am just drawing the ovals. This is the table. This is the computer. This is the keyboard. And here is another hand on the mouse or something. Okay. So I'm not giving detailing because this is the demo class, as this is the demo class, and this is only the oval technique, so that only the construction of the body or the outline of the the diagram can be shown. When we go with detailing, yes, we can put the exact hand and mouse here, the fingers. Okay, the nose. Okay, you see, let me sketch this. You can feel a bit better. So you might have seen a few artworks which your kid has drawn, but your kid might have taken some reference somewhere and drawn the artworks. But the speciality of this course, this session, my course is, without seeing anything, they can draw these artworks. They can draw these artwork. Just it needs a little practice and few tips. They should know some tips and techniques, few methods, that's it, and they have to practice. And it is not only to the children and youngsters, it is useful to everyone, because everybody will have some thoughts, right? Everybody thinks something. Whatever the thought, whatever the idea you have, you can put on the paper like this. Okay. So here the minimum age group is 7 years to join my session, and this is my number 7386, again 8673 74 7386867374 is my number. My name is Krishna. You can contact me at any time to join the next batch, and mean coming batches. My advice is you just play back this video. Okay, you see once again and take a pencil and sketch or pen, but pencil and eraser, these two are very important. If you don't have sketch and pen, no issues, but these two are very important. You just go back, play back this video, and you just practice whatever I have drawn in this video, so that you can also see the result. I'm damn sure you can make these diagrams like this. Not exactly like this, but I'm sure you can do these kind of things, these kind of diagrams. This is very easy, because anybody can draw these kind of shapes. You can find easy curves and easy lines. There is no complicated lines, complicated curves, difficult curves here. So this is about this freehand drawing importance and the basic method. If you want to continue this course, you can join with me. Thank you so much, dear friends. Thanks a lot. If you feel it is required or someone require this, you just share this video with the one who requires this. They will be benefited. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye. This is your SSR Krishna. Bye.